Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked potato halves. So let's get toasting. I have my 10-inch cast iron skillet here that I got at Walmart for $8. Fits perfectly in my toaster oven. I have 3 russet potatoes that I washed and cut in half, and I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on each one of them. This is avocado oil, but you can use whatever kind you want. That's just sort of so they won't dry out, and also so the seasonings will stick to them better. Alright, they're all oiled up. I'm going to use this mild barbecue rub to season them with. It's actually pretty salty. It's kind of like seasoned salt, so seasoned salt would work just as well. And actually you can season these any way you like, really. So that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to use seasoned pepper as well. There's no salt in the seasoned pepper, so this is Lawry's seasoned pepper. Let's put a little bit of that on there. I haven't been able to find Johnny's seasoned pepper lately. That's the one I usually use, but just using this Lawry's instead. Alright, they're ready to get those into the oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. This oven actually preheats for about 10 minutes before it starts timing, so probably be in there about 45 minutes total. My oven just shut off, so let's get those out of there. They look good. The sour cream in the squeeze bag is pretty neat. And I'm going to cut up just a little bit of green onion as well. Hopefully these are cool enough to eat now. Let's try one out. Kind of a cross between a baked potato and a fry. I'm not sure if Annie will eat these or not. I guess we'll find out. She's getting all excited. I took the onions off. Well, I guess it's Annie approved. Those are easy to make, and they make a good side dish, or you can just eat them just like that. You can put cheese on them or dip them or whatever you wanted to. Something a little different. Thanks for watching. See you guys.